Hello everyone, my name is Jagnesh Patel and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the levels for the next trading session, that is 17th of June. And we just, yesterday video we discussed about in few days we will observe a very high volatility in market. And today itself we've seen a very huge momentum and volatility in the market in Nifty and Bank Nifty index. There is a huge gap up opening, then market fall down sharply and then again recovered very sharply. So this way the volatility was very high, which we already know the reason because we discussed in last video about the candlestick which we have seen. If you haven't watched that video, go back to that video and just observe what I have shown you in that video about the candlestick. Okay. So now let's move forward to the 5-minute time frame, which is a lower time frame, and this is a Bank Nifty chart, spot price chart, and we can see there is a very nice huge gap here on a 5-minute time frame. Nifty index, Bank Nifty index opened gap up, and very first candle has been formed a bullish candle, white candle, green candle you can see. But importantly, there has been a very nice formation of gap as a resistance has been seen here. And this is a gap previously which was gap down opening. So this gap acted as a resistance and we have seen a shadow on the very first candle. Again there is a very good bearish candlestick pattern formed on a very next 5 minutes, and Nifty Bank Index struggling at the higher level to sustain, and after that it has broken down this area of previous day high important resistance and not sustained about that, and finally we have seen a sharp move towards the important support of 20,132 from here, and finally it also broken down and we have seen a huge momentum in market. And if you remember, I was discussing that the low which has been formed on panic on the gap down opening of 12th June just tested today little bit lower side from that low, and the market recovered very sharply. And again, there is a very nice panic low has been formed today in today's trading session as well. So need to watch out this level in coming days because this is an important zone of support. Market exactly took support at this area, and very nice pullback in Nifty Bank Index. So let's mark the levels for the next trading session. So first we are going to start with the high of today's trading session, and that is around 20,634, which have marked as an important resistance, and the low which has created by the panic low, we can say there is a panic low. So I just marked the panic low. So it's a 19,510, which is very important area of support because high and low play a very crucial role in important support and resistance for the next trading session. So now let's mark the level for the important support from Nifty Bank. So we can see there is a very nice formation here of consolidation we have seen here. So 19,940 is a zone which act as an important support for the Nifty Bank Index. So I have just marked here 19,940 spot level will be playing a crucial role as a support because there is a good consolidation happen here. So we need to careful from this level. Okay, and देखते हैं अभी ऊपर रेजिस्टेंस कौन सा है इम्पोर्टेंट जो हमको मार्क करना है. तो करीबन यहाँ पे आप देख पा रहे हो प्रीवियसली यहाँ पे एक हाई फॉर्म हुआ था. We have seen a very good high here. Distribution happened. Shadows, we have seen a very good shadows here, here, reversal candles here, and gap down. So this is the area of supply. Okay, so in coming days we have seen today in print session we have seen this is a resistance zone. So in coming days this area is very important as an important resistance. So 20,750. So I will mark this level 20,750, which will act as important resistance for the Bank Nifty. So these are the levels to watch out for next trading session for Nifty Bank Index. So now let's move forward to Nifty Index, what we have seen. So exactly previous trading sessions are high, this swing high. Nifty Index opened above this zone. You can see there is a very nice opening happen here above the resistance. But index has not been sustained at higher levels, forming a kind of some bearish pattern, bearish candlesticks here, and again falling sharply. Again try to go and above, trying to cross this resistance zone, but unable to do that, and finally tested the previous day high important resistance as a support here and broken down very easily. And again this area of resistance 9940, which we have marked as an important resistance, Nifty index exactly took a resistance at that area, and we have seen a very nice price rejection, a bearish candlestick formation here, and there is a very nice sharp move happened, and the previously important support also tested and broken down easily. So here, if you have traded with the futures or maybe weekly options, then you will make a tons of money out of that. So I will show you one options of Nifty index which we have traded around 9950. So this is the area. This is a chart of the 9950 put option and weekly option itself. So where is the time formation here? Around 12:55, around 1 p.m. and exactly at 1 p.m. here you can see 12:55, and the price is around 118 120 of 9950 put option, which went up to 280. That's a magic of options, weekly options especially. So that's how you can able to trade in options with the help of simple levels and with the help of simple candlesticks. Okay, so these are the levels we marked yesterday. So now we look forward to the next trading sessions level. So first I will mark the important high as a resistance. It is around 10,045. 10,000 is also very good round figure number and psychological resistance for Nifty index also. And again, we are going to mark this level, and exactly panic bottom has been also formed at the same level. So which is around 9730, 9730 is the important support which was formed in a panic situation in today's trading session. Okay, so now going to mark important support level of index 9845. So we are here, we have seen a nice consolidation. So that's why we mark around 9845 as an important support zone for Nifty index. And we will mark out 9975, which is here around as an important resistance zone for Nifty index. So I will mark out 9975. The reason behind marking this level is simple, because of we have seen a very nice base formation here. Market is trying to going up, but suddenly it has broken same level and again tested here. Price rejection happened, so it will act as an important resistance in coming days and for next trading session. So we have marked this level as an important resistance of 9975 in Nifty index. So you can watch and mark these levels on your charts as well to trade Nifty futures, Bank Nifty futures, or maybe weekly options from both the indexes. So if you like this analysis, hit the like button and wait for my next video. Thank you so much.